Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, February 27th, 2025, we're diving deep into Meta stock, analyzing both the latest news and its chart patterns. Recent headlines paint a mixed picture, from Ieq Capital increasing their stake to concerns about AI stocks impacting Meta. We'll explore these events and see how they correlate with Meta's technical landscape. Let's begin with the daily chart. We can see a broad uptrend throughout the past year, but there's recently been some volatility. The most recent candle is green, indicating a possible recovery after a dip. But is this a short-term bounce or a sustained reversal? Let's zoom in to understand this better. Focusing on the recent candles from around late February 2025, we see a sharp decline followed by a more recent upward movement, suggesting potential support around the 657 level. This level coincides with the news suggesting increased investor confidence reported from Ieq Capital. However, the Meta falls for fifth day headline suggests a potential short-term bearish pressure. To get a clearer picture, let's switch to the 1-hour chart. Here, we can see more granular price action. Looking at the past few days, we observe fluctuations and attempts to consolidate. There seems to be resistance around the 683 level. Now, let's look at the 15-minute chart to get an even more detailed view of the recent price movements. We can see more clearly short-term support and resistance levels. The intraday volatility is apparent here, making it crucial to consider tighter stop-loss orders if trading on this time frame. This shorter-term chart seems to show continued price consolidation around the 673 level. Looking at the one-day chart again, the important price levels to watch are the support around 657 and resistance around 683. A break above 683 could signal further bullish momentum, potentially pushing towards 700, a level we discussed Meta reaching back in early February 2025. However, a fall below 657 could trigger a larger correction, potentially testing lower support levels, especially if the AI stock concerns mentioned in the news continue to weigh on investor sentiment. Considering the current news and chart data, my unbiased prediction is that Meta is likely to consolidate between 657 and 683 in the short term. There appears to be strong buying at 657, reinforcing the likelihood it may act as a floor. The likelihood of breaking 683 depends on the overall market sentiment and any further positive news regarding Meta's AI initiatives and reported consideration for $200 billion AI data center. Key things to look for include upcoming earnings reports, further analyst upgrades, and any significant shifts in the AI landscape.